Singing Deer, Teachers Pay Teachers. SH, CH, and TCH digraphs. Learn phonics. Benchmark, 1st grade, Unit 4, Week 2. Ch, at, chat. How are you? I'm great. It's nice to see you. Ch, ek, check. Ch, amp, champ. He's the winner. Ch, s, chess. Ch, ick, chick. Ch, ill, chill. He got a chill from all the snow. Ch, imp, chimp. A chimp is short for chimpanzee. It's a monkey with no tail. Ch, in, chin. Ch, op, chop. Ch, omp, chomp. He's going to chomp on that burger. Ch, chum. A chum is a friend. Unch, munch. Inch, bench. Inch, 1 inch. Unch, bunch. It's a bunch of grapes. Unch, crunch. Unch, punch. It's fruit punch. Unch, lunch. Utch, much. That is too much ice cream. Utch, such. This is such a good shake. Atch, batch. A batch is a group of things, like a batch of cookies. Atch, catch. Uh-oh. Huh? Atch, hatch. Atch, latch. That is a latch on the door. Atch, match. Match can mean their dresses match. They are the same. Or strike a match to light a fire. Atch, patch. Put a patch on the tire if it gets a leak. Atch, thatch. A thatch roof means that the roof is made of grass. Stir, etch, stretch. Utch, crutch. She has to use a crutch because she hurt her knee. Etch, fetch. The dog will fetch the bone. Etch, sketch. A sketch is a quick drawing. Otch, blotch. A blotch is an ugly mark. Utch, hutch. A hutch is a cage for an animal such as a rabbit. That's the end. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later.